The Hobo Song. 1, 2, 3, 4. A hobo lives and a hobo dies. Didn't catch that train and alone he cries. A hobo lives and a hobo dies. All alone he lives and all alone he dies. He was just a dirty old man, the newspaper did say. Died in some small saloon or some old alleyway. His only belongings were a toothpick and a pen. Some old ragged clothes that got used over again. A hobo lives and the hobo dies. Didn't catch that train and alone he cries. A hobo lives and the hobo dies. All alone he lives and all alone he dies. No one knew just from where he came. No one was sure even of his name. No diary or memoirs could be found. He's just lying there dead on the ground. A hobo lives and a hobo dies. Didn't catch that train and alone he cries. A hobo lives and a hobo dies. All alone he lives and all alone he dies. An empty bottle was found near where he lay. Now he's found his very own judgment day. Will he be alone up in the clouds? Or will he be part of the crowd? A hobo lives and a hobo dies. Didn't catch that train and alone he cries. A hobo lives and a hobo dies. All alone he lives and all alone he dies. I look out of my window and I see the morning dew. The sky so vast and lonely, and like me it is so blue. Blue in my heart, blue in my soul. My mind, it is so cloudy and hardly is on cue. Repeating and repeating only thoughts of you. You in my heart, you in my soul. Days go by, weeks go by, life It hurts so much inside me, but this pain, it is so dear. This is the only way I know for me to have you here, here in my heart, here in my soul, here in my heart, here in my soul. Softly as the night passes by, as the night passes by, I love you so, I want you close to me, and wherever I go, I know you're here with me. I'm in your tune, I'm in your love song, I'm in your tune, I'm in your love song when you're far away, when you're far away. I love you so, I want you close to me, and wherever I go, I know you're here with me. Sing to me, love, sing to me, lovely, sing to me, love, sing to me, lovely, for the rest of your life, for the rest of your life. I love you so, I want you close to me, and wherever I go, I know you're here with me. I'm in your tune, I'm in your love song, I'm in your tune, I'm in your love song when you're far away, when you're far away. Encouragement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Encouragement is what I need. Understanding is what I want from you. Why don't you show me that you care? To talk to you, get my meaning through, for you to say, I wanna be with you. We could stay forever in love. Images, that's what we are. We're all alone in a world of sin. But do we find a way we could go where no other stayed. But does love really exist? Encouragement is what I need. Understanding is what I want from you. Why don't you show me that you care? Show me that you care. Show me that you care. Never spoken, songs never sung. Welcome the world, son, your life has begun. People are taken, refusing to give, and people are dying before they have lived. Though I don't know the answer, give you your life. Try to make the most of living. Try to make the most of life. Well, people are taken, refusing to give, and people are dying before they have lived. And even for you, son, it's hard to conceive. The mystery of life is not wanting to leave. Though I don't know the answer, I give you your life. Try to make the most of living. Try to make the most of life. Don't know the answer, I give you your life. I give you your life. One, two, three, four. I can't remember when our night in the park flooded back to me as I longed to hold you. Your heart longed to be free, free to have lovers and free to be yourself, free to pick and choose, not to think of someone else. Without you still moves along. The days are short, but the nights are long. Life without you still moves along to the tune of an unhappy song. You got an apartment up in Provincetown, painted people's portraits, enjoyed the new life that you found. I'd go up on weekends, we just walk around. But I stopped going, 'cause I just seemed to